What if the key to healing the past lies buried beneath the ivy and thorns of an abandoned garden? What if every flower, every stone, every whisper of the wind carries the memory of love, loss, and a promise left unfulfilled? Imagine being called to restore a forgotten estate, where the silence hides more than neglect, it hides secrets. That's exactly what happens in Sara Blaydes' deeply moving and mysterious novel, The Restoration Garden. It's not just a story about landscapes coming back to life, it's about redemption, buried love, and how history blooms again when you dare to dig deep enough. Julia Esdaile, a talented landscape architect, arrives at Havenworth Manor, once a jewel of English heritage, now nothing more than a wilderness of brambles and ruin. Her task seems simple, to bring the gardens back to life. But her elderly employer, Margaret Clarke, has another motive. At 92, Margaret carries a secret that's haunted her for more than 70 years, a promise made to her half-sister Irene during the chaos of World War II, a promise she must fulfill before she dies. As Julia begins her work, she feels the echoes of the past beneath her feet. Old letters, forgotten paintings, and the faint scent of roses that bloom out of season begin to unravel a hidden story, a love that defied war, and a choice that changed everything. We're taken back to 1940, when the young and spirited Irene longed for a world beyond Havenworth. Her sketches of flowers and dreams of art were her only escapes, until she met James Atherton, a dashing RAF officer. But war doesn't just test nations, it tests hearts. When Irene follows James to London, she steps into a life of freedom, passion, and danger, and then, without warning, she disappears from Margaret's world forever. Now, decades later, Julia, along with Margaret's godson Andrew, begins to uncover the layers of this heartbreaking mystery. The deeper they dig into the soil of Havenworth, the more truths they unearth, about love, loyalty, and the things we do to protect the ones we love. And as the garden slowly blooms again, so too does the truth, beautiful, painful, and utterly unforgettable. The Restoration Garden isn't just historical fiction. It's a tender exploration of memory, of how the land remembers what people forget. Sara Blaydes masterfully weaves together two timelines, one of wartime passion, and another of present-day discovery, in a story that shows us that even the most tangled gardens can bloom again. If you love novels like Kate Morton's The Forgotten Garden or Lucinda Riley's The Seven Sisters, this one deserves a special place on your shelf. A perfect blend of mystery, history, and emotional depth, The Restoration Garden will leave you reflecting on the beauty of second chances, and the stories that time cannot erase. Because sometimes, to restore a garden, you must first restore a heart.